Okay, so now that we actually have shown you how we can use Power Automate to open up browsers, let's go ahead and add to the actual flow here. So we're back on the flow here, right? We're back in our design studio. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and ask for desktop recorder, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to open up Microsoft Word. Maybe we can open up Microsoft Excel, kind of make it like this is a good start. So let's go ahead and push desktop recorder again. It's going to come up with our recorder. We're going to push record. Now it's going to be following my cursor. So now what I'm going to do, my first click is going to be ask it to open up the start button, right? Then we're going to ask it to open up Microsoft Word. So click on Microsoft Word. Then we're going to ask it to open up a new item. Awesome. Perfect. Next, we're going to ask it to go back to the start button, because what I want it to do is now open up OneNote. So I'll click on OneNote. And I want it to open up a new page. We'll add a page. And then we'll tell it to say new page. Okay, let's go ahead and finish that. All right. So now we have the actual flow here. I'm going to go ahead and close out of Microsoft Word and Microsoft OneNote, and let's go ahead and I'm going to close out of the actual browsers. We're going to show it again how it's going to open up everything in line. So let's go ahead and push the play button. There we go. Now we see the customer immersion experience. We're getting that. Now it's actually opening up Microsoft Word, and it's giving us a blank document. Now it's going to go and it opens up OneNote, and it actually created a new page. And that really is the power of adding more things to your robotic process automation project. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.